so light. Okay, hello in my next video, where I would like to show you, or not only show you, but also functionally test my brand new soldier gun. My brand new soldering gun, which has digital adjustable thermostat. Nice digital adjustable thermostat. Okay. The features coming from 180 degrees Celsius to maybe 500 degrees Celsius, but okay, like this okay, now I need to find where is even this temperature is enough to melt the scene, but it's edge temperature. So without any talks, I'm going to prepare the soldering element. Basically it is C3, I think ESP-C3 component, and I hope that I'll be in the focus. Here is no focus, here is focus. Okay, somewhere here is middle focus. Okay, now there is just technically there is just question how to do it. If we should put the connectors here, and it would have nicely recognizable the numbers. Okay, but we are not reachable reset and boot, these two elements for booting and resetting, or we just exchange it here, and then we have no labeling, or basically some labels are here, but here is 0 and here is 0, here is 5 volts, 5 volts. Okay, basically we can put it like this way. Yes, and then we would put it into the breadboard like this way. Maybe I use the breadboard. This breadboard is damaged, as you could see. Maybe I will use it for for better alignment. Somehow like this way. Okay, but I need to set up thing here. I'm not sure if it's possible to do that in that kind. Usually it is possible. Yes, although here is possible. You see. That the pins are going to outside. I basically I would like to somehow settle the pins, but I need something stronger. Because these pins are not aligned correctly. Okay. Okay. Whatever this way. Okay. Yes, it's done. This is better. Now there is testing. It's disappearing. It's disappearing. I need to test it also if this alignment is okay. And we do the same with this one. Okay. Perfect. It's perfect. Yes, and now it's nicer. You can also put it here, but we will put it here. Okay. Yeah, I need to be sure. Okay, but there is one bad thing, that this rail, I should set up the same alignment. Never mind, but maybe I should switch off this soldering machine. One disadvantage is that it's still heating. Okay, it has no connector for switching off. Okay, looks good. So I can switch on the machine. Okay. Just to be more handy, the power bus. Okay, because I'm very limited with the space here. Okay, I'll be cleaning the old scene. Then the next step is that I have, okay, here is just focus. I have different soldering pastes, and one is like water. I like this water, but this water is a little bit more corrosive. But basically also These are corrosive. Okay, Jesus, everything is dropping down. Okay, everything is corrosive. But yeah, we can put a little bit of this paste. This is like middle viscosity. It's like it was a line. It's not so bad, not so good. Sometimes I make mixture of my very specific mixture. When nothing is good, I can make also mixture. Okay, I hope that it's better detail. Okay, this is even better. Okay. My gosh. So, what to tell? We have also this water. This water is somehow no. Yeah, this water is really water. It's some kind of acid probably, because it's very aggressive. I don't want to use it. I rather will use this flux. Okay. It looks that it's enough. Now I will set up a little bit higher temperature. It's typically written on the solder that what kind of temperature is it. Yeah, but here is written nothing. Okay, but let's say 220 should be okay. Okay, here is where is the camera? Wow, where is the camera? Okay, here 220 degrees, and let's do that. I will try. Okay, the first one is great. It is great. Don't need to be any change. Problem is that I need to move with the platform. The first and the last one, let's see. Okay, it's coming. It's no good enough. We just repeat the fluxation and it's enough. Maybe a little bit higher temperature. We will try 230 degrees because it looks to be a little bit lazy. Okay, maybe 250 degrees. Ah, it was out of the camera, sorry. Okay, this is good. This temperature is good, maybe a little bit lower. 245. It's jumping about 5 degrees Celsius. Here we have some I don't know if it's not enough seen here. Oh, okay, it's enough. Okay, maybe a little bit lower temperature should be okay. 235, because I have a little bit worries that it's going to be a little bit overheated. Yeah, but not so bad. I think that it's not so bad. Let's going to do the next. Okay, I need to take a tweezer. Okay, now I need to switch off completely. Okay, because I need to prepare the next side by applying the flux. We have something like needles for flux here. This is not for this one. It is. Okay, we have the application here, and we have somewhere piston. I'm not sure how it is working, or whether if it is working. Okay, now we could see that we have Yes, a little bit flux outside. Okay, perfect. This was perfect now. Now I can switch on the soldering machine. Just wait a little bit, few seconds. I can clean meanwhile. Okay. I have to use the tweezer now. Okay. The advantage of this soldering station is that it's getting hot very, very fast. Therefore, I love it. Okay. Perfect. We consumed completely all. See. This thing is not so good. Obviously, it has much higher temperature. I have to increase the temperature to 250 maybe, but only for the last one, because this scene is from Lidl and obviously it has much higher temperature. And higher temperature is okay. Okay, let's go minus. Let's clean. So I would like to say that this kind of machine, the soldering pen, or how to call it, is working really very perfect, and it's never been such easy to solder anything, you know, like now. And finally we have to clean a little bit, but never clean by alcohol on this breadboard, because then this is the effect of using alcohol on this plastic or acrylic material. Always the chip must be disassembled from breadboard if you don't want to have such scrap. Okay, little bit paper. Here we are, paper. Come on. Here we are, paper. Like here. And brush. And alcohol, of course. Or isopropyl alcohol, better said. But this is not isopropyl. This is some kind of... Okay. I'm out of... Okay, here this side is okay. Okay. And finally, I will absolutely clean it by the rest of the paper. It is always very important to clean it very patiently, because a lot of fluxes are very aggressive, and in time they can cause you let's say corrosion. Yes, so okay. Okay, I think that it's okay. I just cleaned also the figures. How is it possible? Oh my gosh. Now I don't know what is the chip. Oh my gosh. Ah, no, it is here. Okay, it was just it is just that it's oiled, but it's not labeled by printing, it's labeled by engraving. ESP32C3, okay, from this point is readable still. It's just still a little bit impacted. Okay, now it's a little bit better or not?